Mm-hmm.
Oh, hey guys. Oh, I wanted to do a review on Goo. As you can see, Eli, my candies behind me. I will be doing a let's play on that one. That phone starts to work. So I just wanted to show you my slime. Homemade, of course.
Tell them how you make it.
Some lady behind me is doing it too. You're making slime.
How do you make it?
You make it by adding glue. The first thing you're supposed to add is glue. And then, Grandma, can you tell us the recipe?
It is glue and
Can you
glue
tell?
detergent or Tide.
Can you tell us what thingy-ma-ball what
Right.
like how it goes? This stuff doesn't work the best. But it's
No,
pretty good.
we quite don't have the recipe down good yet. Here, come get
Oh.
this. This is,
It kind of hurt.
Don't do that.
here, and then hand this to Katie.
Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, that's definitely weird feeling slime. Listen. Wait, I gotta go